Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this DLL error, which is Xlive.dll is missing from your computer and you are unable to start some program or you are unable to play some game due to this error. Then how you can solve it, I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your favorite browser and search for this DLL, which is Xlive.dll. Okay, search for it, and most probably the first link for the search which will appear here will be from www.dll-files.com/dllindex/ at the last Xlive will be there. Okay, so just click this link, make sure it's dllfiles.com, and in the search result DLL free download is displayed here. Okay, so click this link, and in here they have three versions which you can download. One is premium, which is a paid version which we don't want to use. Other is free for free to use, but it uses some installer, so we don't want this either. But third one is manual fix, and this one we want because it's free and it's really easy to download and use this DLL file from here. So use this third option, manual fix, and when you go down here you will be able to see this download zip file. Okay, and from here you will be able to download the zip file for this Xlive.dll for games, right? So click the topmost link from here and click download, and then open this DLL file. It's a zip file, so you need to open it with your whatever zip program you use, either it's WinRAR or WinZip or 7-zip or any other zip opening file program. Okay, so in this zip file you will be able to see this Xlive.dll file. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to right click and copy this DLL file, and then open your file explorer or folder explorer, and inside this folder explorer you need to go to this local disk, which is your C drive, and inside your C drive you need to go to this Windows folder here. So go to Windows folder, and inside this Windows folder, when you scroll little down, you will be able to see this folder called System32. So when you click this folder and go inside the System32 folder, you will be able to see all other DLL files are residing here. So from this location your computer links the DLL to the program which is using these DLL. So you just need to paste your Xlive.dll file here, and it's going to give this warning here. You just need to click continue, and it's going to paste this Xlive.dll file here. You can see here Xlive.dll file is here now. Okay, now if this error persists and after pasting this Xlive.dll file inside the System32 doesn't work, then the other option is once again copy this Xlive.dll file, and then once again go to your C local drive folder, and once again go to Windows, and this time we are going to go to this folder which is called SYSWOW64. Okay, so SYSWOW64 folder, and basically here also all your DLL file resides. The difference is in System32 the 32-bit DLL file resides, and in 64 this folder 64-bit DLLs reside. So you can paste this DLL file here also if the previous solution doesn't work. and once again try to open your game or program which you want to open, which was giving this error, and most probably this error will go. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe.